Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 KRX 4-seater. We just installed one of the RYCO street legal kits on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit how it looks on this awesome 4-seater. So RYCO makes 3 different kits for the KRX, both 2 and 4 seat, same part number. This is one of my favorites. This RYCO kit replaces the entire grille and adds these cool lights on the front. We call them Fang lights. How does it work? How does it look? How does it operate? Just like a car. Down will be left. Indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know the turn signals are on. And the best part, check out that light. Very cool functionality, a lot more visibility than drilling the 3/4 inch lights that we put down on the sides here. Gives it that nice, cool custom look. And with the RYCO kit, as always, ties into the stock tail lights in the back, utilizing all of those bright LEDs. You can see it from any angle, straight from the back, the side, tons of visibility there. The RYCO kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on the lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. Indicator lights there on the dash. Oh yeah. You're going to be seen with those babies. And then here on the back, very nice, very nice. The RYCO kit also comes with the license plate mounting hardware as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. 4-way hazard function. To release those, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever as well. With the RYCO Street Legal Kit here in Utah, the only additional items you'll need are 2 mirrors, one on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view, completely up to you. This customer selected to go with all 3. That's the way to do it. We do have these kits in stock. Give us a call or shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Gotta love the KRX, gotta love the 4-seater. Congratulations, Don. This one's for you. Have a great day, everybody.